Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about the letter O. O. And the capital O and the lowercase o, they look so much alike. It's just this one is smaller. You can even make the letter O with your hand. O. Oh no. O. The letter O is super crazy, right, Roxy? Because the letter O has two sounds. Two sounds. The letter O can sound like it sounds O, like it sounds like it's letter O. Overalls. Overalls. The letter O can also sound like ah. My mouth looks totally different. Overalls, octopus. Octopus. So, two sounds, O, overalls, octopus. They're both the letter O. They both start with the letter O. The O actually has a lot of different sounds, but we'll start with long O, overalls, and short O, octopus. Okay? So, this is a toaster oven. And that's the O sound. Oven. Oven. It's a toaster oven. Here's another picture of an octopus. Here's another oven. You can find an oven in your kitchen. This is like an old-fashioned oven, or the kind you see outside. Here's our long O, oval. The oval shape. Oval. Roxy, I didn't forget about you. What do you want to show us? Oh, the ornament. Ornament. It's like you can put it on your Christmas tree, or if you don't celebrate Christmas, sometimes you just have ornaments like decorations around the house. Ornament. We found something in our house, didn't we, Roxy? Yes, that starts with O. Let me show you. Oatmeal. It says old-fashioned oats. Oatmeal. Oatmeal, I eat it for breakfast in the morning. I can open the oatmeal. Open, shut. Open the oatmeal. I can put it over my head. It's over my head. Over. Can you say over? Can you say open? Good. Can you say oval? Oval. Can you say the octopus? Octopus. So boys and girls, what you can do at home is look around your house and try to find some words, some things, some items that start with the letter O. Maybe you can spot some words in the house, like this word starts with O and this word starts with O. So maybe there are words all around the house. I mean, there's words everywhere in your house. On cereal boxes and on labels. Words, words, words. Find all the words in your house that start with O, or find some things in your house that start with the letter O. I can't wait to see what you came up with, and neither can Roxy. See you next time. Bye.